Diddy and Cassie settles lawsuit alleging rape, beating 1 day after it was filed. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A lawsuit filed by singer Cassie containing allegation of beating and abuse by music producer Sean Diddy Combs has been settled, the artist announced Friday, 1 day after the lawsuit was filed. The settlement was announced in a statement sent by attorney Douglas Wigdor, who represents Cassie, full name Cassandra Ventura. The statement said that they had reached a deal to their mutual satisfaction Friday evening, but no terms of the agreement were disclosed and no further statement would be issued beyond those made by Ventura, Combs, and Wigdor in the email distributed by the lawyer. In her statement, Ventura said, "I have decided to resolve this matter amicable on terms that I have some level of control. I want to thank my family, fans, and lawyers for their unwavering support." Combs said, "We have decided to resolve this matter amicable. I wish Cassie and her family all the best. Love." Ben Braffman, an attorney for Combs, did not immediately respond to messages seeking a comment. On Thursday, he said in a statement that Combs denied the allegations. The lawsuit alleged that Combs brought the singer into his ostentatious, fast-paced and drug-fueled lifestyle soon after she met him and signed to his label in 2005 when she was 19 and he was 37 years old. Ventura, now 37, said Combs, now 54, began a pattern of abuse as soon as their on and off relationship began in 2007. The lawsuit alleged that, pouring to uncontrollable rage, Combs subjected Ventura to savage beating in which he punched, kicked, and stamped on her. It is alleged that he pilled her with drugs and forced her to have sex with other men while he masturbated and filmed them. According to the lawsuit, as Ventura was trying to end the relationship in 2018, Combs forced her into her Los Angeles home and raped her. The Associated Press does not typically name people who say they have been sexually abused unless they come forward publicly, as Ventura has. Combs is among the most influential hip-hop producers and executives of the past 3 decades. The founder of Bad Boy Records and a 3-time Grammy winner, he has worked with a slew of top-tier artists including Notorious Big, Mary J. Blige, Usher, Little Kim, Faith Evans, and 112. This year, he released his 5th studio album, the Love Album Off the Grid, which earned him 2 Grammy nominations this month. It is the first studio album in 17 years. Brassman's statement on Thursday said that Ventura had for the past 6 months persistently demanding $30 million, while threatening to write a damaging book about her relationship with Combs. The lawyer said that the demands were rejected as blatant blackmail. Ventura withdrew the initial threat before filing a lawsuit, riddled the baseline and outrageous lies, aiming to tarnish Mr. Combs' reputation and seeking a payday, the attorney stated. Cassie's attorney responded on Thursday in a statement, saying that Combs had offered to pay her 8 figures to silence her and to prevent the lawsuit from being filed. She rejected his efforts and decided to give a voice to all women who suffer in silence, the attorney stated. Wigdor praised his clients in a statement, including in an email as well, announcing the settlement on Friday. "I am very proud of Miss Ventura for having the strength to go public with her lawsuit. She ought to be commended for doing so," her attorney stated. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.